Dimas,
Yes.
what do you think about digital marketing?
First of all, it's a change of habits. People even always look news from the phone right now. Don't use any magazine, don't use any paper anymore. And then people's habit change. People always consume media as they consume food. People watching news in the morning, in the afternoon, even though in our daily work we sometimes check phone, TikTok or IG. What kind of new gossip?
It's just for
Yeah,
entertaining us.
yeah, so or people just get fired by Tumblr.
And they lost their job.
Yeah, it's quite sad actually.
Yeah. We can get gossiping or news as fast as possible
Yeah.
in this era.
Don't you think it's over? To us, it's affect our mentally. Like it's too overflow of information is too much.
So, maybe sometimes people, especially Gen Z, will be mental illness about the social media, I think. So that's why Instagram has feature like the account, and some people use it for recharging their energy back, and they want to get a calmer life by social media.
They're deactivate the account.
Yeah, of course. They
I don't know
have-
that part.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, you're so school. You're so
Don't say me like that though. What do you think trend in digital marketing nowadays? As people who work in that
Oh yeah, serving
Yeah.
by digital marketing as well.
and a Gen Z, of course.
Of
Do you have any
course, I
tumblers
am.
though?
Oh, no, I use plastic cup.
Oh,
So sorry. Your question. What's your question?
what do you think the trend of the digital marketing nowadays?
Oh, okay.
What kind of-
Digital marketing nowadays is like maybe we can use AI for digital marketing, and it helps us as a marketing to improve our brand awareness,
Engagement.
yeah, engagement also, and we can use AI for making a content for social media, generate it into content like image or just copywriting, and we also can not generate it, like we can use AI for ads, for targeting, I think, because I use it for targeting for ads.
Targeted targeted
market.
consumer.
Audience, we call it.
Oh, audience.
Yeah, audience.
Audience.
Not consumer. It's old school.
That's great. Okay. Have you ever heard about Clippers?
Yeah, of course I am. I'm a Gen Z.
Get old. So we take our age, ageism. So it's all ageism right now. What do you think the positive or and negative thing about Clippers in digital marketing, in your opinion?
In my opinion, Clippers is can useful for brand awareness and social improvement, because we as a brand need social proof from someone that has many trust from people like influencer or KOL, or just like consumer that have tried our product. We can make it a long video into shortened video and make it as an ads. And for the negative effect of the Clipper, I think it is just a clickbait, a negative clickbait. Like you can change the climax video into negative.
Oh, the
What?
value of the videos.
Yeah.
Don't you think the main purposes of the ads will be reached to the audience if you use a shorter version, or just needed to be longer so the main idea still?
Depends on the hook, I think, because people will see the video in the 3 second first, like this. We can use hook as a 3 second in first video.
Yeah.
Like you can yell it, and
Yeah.
people would yell. They just yell like that. We call it hook. because it giving a people reaction, audience reaction, like what is this video, they will watch it longer.
But no main value, no main value in it.
Yeah, but we can punch it.
Oh, at least you get the attention of people.
Yeah, we
Ah.
can pitch it. Pitching. It is just a pitching for audience.
Oh yeah, you even when I talk to you, you use many term in digital marketing like picture. I need to Google it
Yeah.
first. When you said picture, so I don't know what that terms or picture.
Yeah. It is not a help. If you can, like you said, if you need idea, the content of idea in the first video, people will get boring.
Boring.
Yeah, because you talk too much. You talk too much.
Yeah.
We need a hook.
Yeah. But people misunderstood though. That's what.
No. After hook, there is an idea. Of
Any
content.
additional
Yeah,
explanation.
main content. The hook is just purpose for some attracting people to see the video more longer. After that, it is just the body of content.
When you said hook, is have to be so ambiguous? Like you said, it's yelling. It could be so ambiguous, like yelling for help or yelling for something. I don't know, maybe sexual in terms of sometimes.
But sexual will be get more reach.
Ah yes, and some
To
fun.
be honest, sorry
Why
man.
you say to laugh? What's up there? I don't get it. Your body language or Gen Z is so frustrating for me though. So,
Have you even tried social media for branding?
for self brand, no, never. Because,
yeah.
because I have a principle that I just need people to know certain thing about me, not the full thing about me. Just so I know what's the good and the bad in the people intention.
Oh, so low key, low key.
So,
Low key. I don't need people to know me.
oh yeah, it's so.
That is you.
Oh yes, I'm so mysterious.
Oh, too hard to get him.
Oh my god, I'm talking to Gen Z right now.
But in your work purpose, have you ever used social media for your work? As admin in school, like Bapak, you use social media?
Why you change the tone, no? We use social media as a report to our audiences that our school have a program. We have our national program like last time is National Teachers Day, and then our national activity, our semester activity like national assessment. We call it assessment sumatif akhir semester right now. It's
Oh,
new.
yeah.
Yeah, it's quite long. I don't know why people government change it every time.
Don't trust him, don't trust him.
Oh my goodness. Also, we have activists in here though. What are you?
Imposter, I'm imposter.
And then
Like scheduling about your school activities in a year.
yeah, in a year, mostly of our program, our daily activities like reading the Quran every single morning.
Oh, I'm just so.
Yeah, we're so religious.
Oh,
I don't know what Gen Z think about religion.
are you sad? Are you sad? No, he become sad. but you're at school, yeah. How can you get audiences? Because that school has a permanent consumer. I think you don't need a new customer or you don't need new leads for it.
But the most important thing, if you work as a state, even though state attorney, state government, or state employee, is keep the branding positive.
PNS. Oh,
Yes, I'm PNS. Why you said in a sarcastic way? Bercanda. Yeah, to keep our branding positive because branding of PNS not so good at this time. So we need to keep our image fresh, clean.
you have to throw the trash in the class, the right class.
Yeah. Maybe we think that your kind of expertise in digital marketing to keep our
How much you can pay me? How much you can pay me, bro? I'm not buzzer.
buzzer in this government is quite low.
Oh, okay. Maybe I can think twice about that.
Yeah. That's Clipper is like a two-edged sword. You have positive impact and negative impact. The positive impact is come naturally as people participate in that kind of activities, so people can just take the important moment, the wow moment. What I say is to and share it to the whole world, so people can understand it in a short version. But negative impact, it could be used as a positive, and you can use it as a judgment people, downgrade people, blackmailing, even though blackmailing people.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, people use blackmailing, especially in the technology of AI. Like for example, your photo, you put it in Instagram, people can use it and put it.
It's just a vulgar photo.
Yeah.
It's like a part. So sorry, but it is real. It is fake. So many people use it for negative things, I think.
Yes.
And it is just so
Disgusting.
disgusting.
Pathetic.
We're so pathetic. So pathetic. Yeah.
Do you and your friend any experience of it? Or you use your photo and put it in a vulgar way?
No, nauzubillah min zalik.
Maybe your friend, your
Oh yeah, my friend.
friend.
Yeah, but negative AI is so many in Twitter.
Oh yes.
In X right now is called X, not Twitter anymore.
You have one account X?
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
I use it since 2011. How about you?
No, I don't have it.
Oh yeah.
Because in some influencer think that X is quite toxic. In
Why?
some I don't know. It's just rage baiting. Based on the experience, rage baiting is not creating a true fact. It's creating what is this? A demo of majority effect, but not the fact, and mostly based on feeling, what I perceive as it is.
There is so many valid information there.
Yeah,
Some information and some other is buzzer.
and some porn also.
I don't follow the porn one.
But it exists, right?
Yeah, for some
Have
people
you-
will follow it.
Have you watched it though?
No, of
Some,
course.
if you
In that, I just follow politics,
yes,
entertain,
Yes.
and my close friend. This is just for close friend because we are Gen Z. Mostly we use X for mad, for angry, to expressing our mad feelings, madness.
madness.
Yeah, of course. We will, let's say, we will sarcasm there, and no one knows.
Dark jokes also, right?
Dark joke also,
You
and
love one, right?
of course. And mostly we are use username in X. It's not our name.
Yeah,
It's just live.
Elias.
Alias names. Just a nickname for fun.
For fun.
Yeah. And we just follow what we want to follow.
So People join from here, right?
Yeah. It is different from Instagram. In Instagram, we will branding our personal.
Show off.
Yeah, we will show off our. We want that validation of people, right? In Instagram.
Yeah,
So we will-
I'm old man. Yeah, remember that? Old man.
So we will share our activity, like positive activity, or we will be flexing in Instagram, but in apps we will share madness.
Oh,
It is
that's-
different, kind of different, and also different with Facebook. I think.
Facebook.
Yeah, in Facebook, maybe we will use it for selling something that we already use, like pre-love.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Facebook Marketing.
Yeah, we will share it.
Oh, you share
Have,
that.
have you
Yes.
heard about that?
Don't-
Share it.
Don't see me like I came from nowhere.
Yeah,
I do share that.
Facebook still
Useful.
many users are using it, but it's for selling our pre-love product.
Don't you think it's affect you mentally in X if you use it as a madness sharing?
No, because we already classify the people who follow us. Like I said, I have just following, and followers is just for close friends. It is just 8 followers.
Still you can control though.
Yeah. But we just type it as sarcastic.
Yeah. Tapi different culture, different responses.
What about you?
If I have anger issue or something like negative thought, first of all, I live in a village. I live in a village.
Not so village.
Yeah.
You're in the pelosok.
Okay, thanks to bold it out. I live in the middle of not in the middle. Yeah, di pinggiran of paddy field. I just see the sky. It's so
In
refreshing.
the corner of the city. You mean?
Corner of the city, yeah.
Yeah.
Corner of the city. And I live in the seaside of the kabupaten, so I can just, if I have negative feeling or negative thought about something, I just see the sea, thinking about things, thinking about life. Sometimes self-talk. Have you ever do self-talk? You
Yeah.
just sitting by yourself and
Do it
talk?
like journaling.
No, journaling is writing. Kalau self-talk is just talk about it with yourself.
Sambat. We call it sambat.
Sambat.
Sambat. In Jaksel we call it. In South Jakarta we call it sambat. Maybe ya. Like gimana sih hari ini? Kok kayak gini banget? Like that?
No, so we internalize, just so we create two versions of ourselves, our positive and our negative self, then we talk. And in psychology, human have angelic side, you can say, and demonic side. When we have negative thought, negative energy, our demonic side is take control of it. So when we internalize ourselves, we talk to ourselves, we just need to reimbalance it back. So we neutralize ourselves.
Like correct yourself by yourself. Correcting yourself by yourself.
Yeah, I think I use the term internalize, to be honest. If you use the religious term, it's tawadu,
Like don't worry.
tadabur alam.
What is?
Tadabur alam to self-reflect.
Oh yeah.
And religious term is self-reflect.
Yeah. I think it is kind of journaling, but if journaling we write, but self-talk is we talk about ourselves to ourselves.
Yeah, kind of.
Oh yeah. It's so interesting to try. I think I will try it later.
Yeah.
But do you think that is will looks like crazy people? Like you just talk with yourself alone?
First of all, we need to see the spot, right? We need to see
You
the
need to
spot.
get lonely.
Yeah, no, not only the good safe spot lah, right? Because I live in the village, a lot of safe spot.
Yeah.
But if you live in the city, I think you need to.
So many nature. So many nature in your place.
Many, a lot, many. My place is Mau. If you see in the map, Mau is in a cornerstone, in a sweet spot of seaside, paddy field, and then some place of
Lagoon.
yeah. So there's a lagoon.
Wow.
Really?
Sorry, I'm clapping.
never see one, right? so city people.
I'm solemn to see it.
Yeah, you can see it. It's just 1 hour from here.
Oh yeah. So 1 hour to go to Ancol. I prefer to go to Ancol.
Yeah, but Ancol is man-made.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It is just talking about Ancol.
Okay.
I think Ancol is a big brand. Yeah.
Yeah.
Big brand. And I think there's just how can they get
Such a big brand.
so much engagement and so much consumers to come there to visit the lagoon.
First of all, it's as matters of history, of course. Ancol is the product of Soeharto era.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's called Batavia.
As far as concerned, the Soeharto era, as a part of when the capital city need to have international level of entertainment, especially at that era is Ali Sadikin, if you know,
Yeah, I
Governor
know.
Ali Sadikin, who famously as the, what can I say, the controversial people of Jakarta, because at that era the governor tried to build a casino. Yes, to try to legalize prostitution in red district in Jakarta. If you see the history of Ali Sadikin, it's quite controversial as well, but he has a very valid point, as like an Ahok. She just sitting in economic matters, not moral, not religious, not tradition of Indonesia. Simple economic. The capital city of Indonesia just need to copy other capital city in other part of the world. They need to have red district. They need to have casinos. They need to have gambling center. So the money can overflow to the capital, and its benefit can use by the government to create anything, especially infrastructure. So many infrastructure in Jakarta use a gambling money, to be honest. and red district money.
Yeah, I get the new Lisa here.
Yeah, it's quite controversial. But I think back to Ancol. Ancol is part of complex system. Why it has a big brand? First of all, in history, it's created in Soeharto era, so it has very good priority from the government, especially in Indonesia. You need a government backing to make things work.
Yeah. And if you are 10, you will get free access.
Is it still though?
Oh my god.
Second of all, it's big capitals, especially from the Nine Dragons.
What is Nine Dragons?
The Nine Dragons is the term used as by the people to point out people who have massively amount of monetary influence in the country. The Nine Dragons. There is a term Nine Dragons, and also there is a term of Nine Haji. Nine Haji is Islamic term, so 9 crazy rich Islamic people. Nine Dragons is 9 crazy rich Chindo people.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I get it. But back to the marketing strategies of the Ancol. I think Ancol use the strategy of campaign promotions. Like they make a collaboration with Sosro.
Sosro tea.
Yeah, Sosro tea. Like if you buy 3 Sosro, you will get discount to Dufan.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
When I'm in high school, I buy it. I bought it
What year is it? High school?
in 2018.
Oh my goodness, I'm still in high school. I'm still in college though.
Yeah, I bought it.
I'm first time hearing it, first of all. Second of all, I don't think that such collaboration exists between theme park, recreational place to certain products. I never heard that kind of promotion before. What it's like you have certain type of bank and you go to certain type of mall and you get certain type of discount. It's the new thing in my experiences because yeah, it's kind of promotion also
Yeah.
to make it easier.
I think if Dufan collaboration with Sosro, it makes sense because
Yes.
people will go to Dufan. If people visit Dufan, they will get thirsty.